Hey everyone, if you're seeing the Arknights Endfield download error, don't worry, I'll show you a quick fix. First, close the Arknights launcher completely. Check the hidden icons in your taskbar to make sure it's fully closed. Then right-click the launcher, go to Manage and click Verify. This will check if your launcher files are okay. Next, open the launcher again, click the three lines next to Play, then choose Check Game Integrity. Hit Start Checking and let it finish. Once both checks are done, try launching the game. Most of the time, this will fix the download error and that's it. Simple steps to get you back into Arknights without the download error. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.